Bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Espero que se encuentren muy bien. Hoy tendremos una lección en la que estaremos aprendiendo inglés y mejorando tu listening con una pequeña historia.
The Forest of Inverted Mirrors. Lila was a young girl whose curiosity knew no bounds. One day, while venturing beyond the hills gathering flowers for her grandmother, she discovered a path leading to a forest cloaked in mist. Each step took her deeper into a place where the sun's rays barely penetrated, and an ethereal silence prevailed. At the heart of the forest, Lila found something she could never have imagined, a row of pristine mirrors. Approaching the first, a surprising vision greeted her, herself, wearing a crown, ruling a kingdom. Another mirror showed a scholarly Lila surrounded by ancient books. And so, each mirror revealed a different version of her life. At first, the alternate realities were seductive. She saw herself living lives she had only dreamed of. However, after several visits, she began to feel a growing unease. People's smiles seemed forced, and words, though kind, echoed distantly. Returning to her real world, she noticed things had changed. The walls of her home seemed to fade, and her grandmother looked at her with clouded eyes, as if she could barely recognize her. The flowers she had picked turned to ashes in her hands. Desperate, Lila decided to confront the mirrors. But it wasn't that simple. Each mirror was protected by an alternate version of her, challenging her to recognize the lessons each reflected world offered. She faced her fears, insecurities, and desires, fighting to return to the authenticity of her life. Upon defeating the guardians and shattering the mirrors, the forest began to clear, revealing the sunlight and the birds singing. When Lila returned home, she found her grandmother waiting for her with a warm and genuine smile. The world had regained its essence, but Lila was no longer the same. She had learned the value of truth and simplicity and understood that beauty resides in the present. Moral: we must not be seduced by altered visions of ourselves or our reality, for we run the risk of losing what truly matters. True happiness lies in accepting ourselves as we are and appreciating the world around us.
A continuación, vamos con el vocabulario.
Forest.
Bosque,
Curiosity.
curiosidad,
Venturing.
aventurando,
Gathering.
recogiendo,
Path.
sendero,
Mist.
bruma,
Ethereal.
etéreo,
Mirrors.
espejos,
Crown.
corona,
Kingdom.
reino,
Scholarly.
erudita,
Alternate realities.
realidades alternas,
Seductive.
seductoras,
Unease.
malestar,
Smiles.
sonrisas,
Fade.
desvanecer,
Clouded eyes.
ojos nublados,
Ashes.
cenizas,
Desperate.
desesperada,
Confront.
enfrentar,
Protected.
protegido,
Challenging.
desafiando,
Fears.
miedos,
Insecurities.
inseguridades,
Guardians.
guardianes,
Shattering.
rompiendo,
Sunlight.
luz del sol,
Genuine.
genuina,
Essence.
esencia,
Present.
presente. Eso es todo por el video de hoy. Apreciaría mucho tus sugerencias para que las próximas lecciones sean más útiles para ti. Repite la lección para reforzar tus conocimientos y que puedas notar la diferencia con lo que has aprendido. Me ayudaría mucho si pudieras regalarme un like y suscribirte al canal. Hasta la próxima.